Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL 405 to an Android device. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up to exactly the same on both smartphones, click on I agree at the top, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then click on Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of TCL. Now receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Stick around on an Android to select the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then tap on Close this window and go back to TCL. You can use all of those categories available at the top to pick multiple files that you want to transfer. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then hit Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!